Hi, Stevetus here with a quick update on objD. There are console commands now, so you can type objD in our PowerShell window here, and we can select some subcommands here. One command is to create a new project, and this also gives you some usage tips here. So we need a name as an argument here. So let's create a test project. And you can see this generates a whole project here. And we can also see this with our file explorer. There are multiple folders here and everything is ready to go. So let's go into that folder and open Visual Studio Code. And our entire project is already set up. The only thing that we have to do is update this version to the recent version and save this file so it can get all our dependencies here. And now we are ready to go. So let's just log a message here, test, and we can already test out our second new command. This would be objD run, and this as well requires an argument, the file. Our root file would be the index.dart where our main function is. So we specify it in here, index.dart, and it runs the entire thing here. There are also some benchmark information here, so you can see how long it takes to analyze the structure and create the files. And the last command is objD serve, and this command basically watches your project, and if you make changes to any files, it would run the build command automatically. So we need a path here for our project directory and the root file again. So in our case, this would be our current directory and of course index.dart. And if we were to change it here as 2 and save the whole thing, and it ran the run command automatically and created our data pack. No need to compile it yourself every time. And you can step out of this serve command here when you press Ctrl+C and type in yes, and then you have your normal console again. These commands are not activated by default, so you have to activate it, and you do that with the pub command. That's the package manager for Dart. And this is a global package, so we need global here. This is accessible everywhere on your computer. And we need to activate objD. We can see it compiled here, our executables. And we activated objD 0.1.3. This is pretty important. These commands are just supported with this version here or above. And now we can use the objD command. If this does not work, I give you a quick fix in a minute. Or you can also use the pub global command again and use run here and then objD and your command, whatever, new for example, and then your arguments. So this would also work as a workaround. But to activate this command, you need to add this system path. That's the directory for all these console commands here. And we can open this path by searching path in the search window, and we can see these environment variables. Of course, it is in German for me. And we want to edit these here. Here you have to click on new right here. And down here you can paste this right here from the description. This is where all your global packages are. And just click OK and OK. And then the objD command should be available. If not, just restart your computer. This would be everything for this little video here. There are a few more updates. I'll link you the changelog in the description. If you have any questions or concerns, write them in the comments and we'll see us in the next video. Bye.